Hi guys. In our electricity cupboard I keep this nice little torch for emergencies, like when the power goes off, you know there's always a torch there. And I just checked it tonight and it didn't work. So I thought, oh, I'll change the batteries. That's not going to happen. It's just your classic, I've left the batteries in there too long, never used it, and they've completely leaked and failed and rusted. Yeah, all three of them, and they've gone so badly that the metal plates in the battery holder here have also failed and fallen out with the batteries, which is a shame because these are lovely little torches. They're ever so bright. No, that's a similar one. But yeah, I ain't going to be able to fix that. I mean, I could. The easiest fix would be to take that out of that one, pop it in there, and there we go. So I guess it's just a question of which one would I rather worked. The black one or the red one. And the quickest fix is just go and buy another one. They're only £1 in Poundland. So that's probably what I'll do. I do rather like that one. It's a nice colour, so I'll probably do that. That's the fix. I'll put that back in the cupboard for emergencies. And next time I'm in Poundland, I'll pick up another one of these. They're quite handy if you want a little cluster of, I think it's 9 LEDs. Yeah, 9 LEDs running off 3 AAA batteries. And I do use the battery containers as a handy 4.5 volt battery supply. As you can see, this one I've modified the JST connector on it, so I can run little radio controlled cars on it. So for £1, a handy little thing to have, but don't forget about them and let the batteries leak.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.